In front of me is OnePlus Ace 3V, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down a tiny bit to access Notifications and Status bar. Then hit Manage All next to App Notifications and use blue switchers next to all of your apps from which you want to block notifications. To switch them back on, hit the same, now gray switchers. You can also go back, tap on any app over here, and manage all notifications thanks to this switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!